Today we are investing with Binance, and if you don't want to miss the next one, follow me on YouTube and of course share this video. So of course it's not a financial advice. I'm an investor into privacy. We're going to discuss about privacy today and deep dive a bit more about why is it a good project, why Binance most likely invested into the project, and how can we invest in the next one and not miss the next one. So first thing first, on my Twitter I've done a thread on privacy. I think it's very important to understand the project you invest in. Always do your own research and everything. They have some cool things, and we are going to kind of like try to illustrate the things they are building. So it's mainly about how can you encrypt data and forward this data by AI to kind of like use the encryption, and how they can like make the encryption model like easier to distribute and more resilient. So if you go on the Twitter of privacy, you can see that of course it's highlighted that they are backed by BINANCE Labs because it's one of the best name in the space, and you always want to invest with BINANCE Labs. Also you can see that so they have a bunch of followers. I think the Twitter is like pretty neat. They have some other cool investor, and you want also to invest with some kind of like of these investors, some big names. I really like Spartan, for example. So you have Binance Lab, you know, very, very important VC in crypto. And if you don't want to miss the next one, we actually have right now a sale on Q32 that will be AI and DP narrative, kind of like privacy. So if you don't want to miss this one, have a check. They have also some very cool investors as big as Binance. So now let's deep dive in privacy a bit more, like really pretty fast. So first thing is like, I think they are building pretty cool things and they are delivering things. And the first thing they have built right now that was not on the website like a few weeks ago, they launched that I think in kind of like stealth mode, which is pretty cool. And it's a first way for you to kind of like interact with the tech, and so put your biometric data into the app to be able to then leverage that and get the NFT to then verify your identity on various like services without to do the thing again or leak your data, you know. So your data are not at risk. That's kind of like the main thing with privacy. That's pretty cool. Also the other thing, some other use cases, one that I really, really like, which is about healthcare. So will be a way for you to have all your data, for example, add privacy secured, and then you are able to share your data to multiple providers without leaking your data or having the risk to have your data compromised. That's something super cool and super big, and that's why I really like the project. I think it's one with their encryption model. It's one of the projects that I really like, and that really brings value, I think. And I have found the kind of like way to make Web3 really relevant in our daily lives. So to kind of like recap the how it works, how privacy works. So you have the data owner. So most likely it's like very sensitive data about KYC, health data and everything. Then you have a way to store it and to kind of like have the on-node system to be able to decrypt also the data and have like bunch of like AI pipelines to also make data more relevant and bigger, like in terms of like quantity, and then have the decryption of the data enabled with the encryption to kind of like say, oh, this is the right person, and then have your KYC done on another platform, for example. So I think that's pretty cool, and that's why I think very like smart investors invested into this deal is one of the things, and also because like of the team and many other things. But that's the thing you want to do. You want to invest with Binance, and that's the thing we are trying to do with Q42, is to invest with top VC, top business angels, and to make it.